Hi, this is Paritosh. I'm going to solve maths and sim question. So let's start. Okay, so we have been given a question. Find the volume of the largest rectangular box with edges parallel to the axis that can be inscribed in the ellipsoid given a 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square is equal to 36. So we are going to simplify this equation and we would make it x square by 4 plus y square by 1 plus z square by 9 is equal to 1. So we get x-intercept as 2, y-intercept as 1, and z-intercept as 3. So with that information, we are going to draw the graph of the ellipsoid. And so we have drawn the graph of the ellipsoid, and therefore now we would find the maximum volume of the rectangular box that can be inscribed in this particular ellipsoid. Okay, so we are going to solve the question. So we are going to consider the problem in the first quadrant, first octant, and so we have the we have the information as and so these are the intercepts. These are the intercepts. Then the total volume of the box is 8 times the volume in the first quadrant. So we are going to consider it in the first octant, and the total volume would be 8 times the first volume of the first octant. So with the equation of the ellipse, 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square is equal to 36. Okay, so by solving this, we get 2z is equal to 36 minus 9x square 36 minus 9x square minus 36y square. Z is equal to 3 by 2 4 minus x square minus 4y square, and so volume so this is the volume with respect to x and this is the volume with respect to y, and further solving we get these two equations and we are going to solve both of them, and therefore we would get the equation x square is equal to 2 minus 2y square, and then we are going to put this equation from the first equation in this second equation, and we would get the second equation as and finally we would get 2 minus 6y square is equal to 0, and we would get y is equal to 1 by root 3, and therefore we would get x is equal to 2 by root 3, and then z is equal to 2 minus 2 into 2 by 3 okay sorry z is equal to 3 by 2 under root of 4 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 1 by 3, therefore we would get z as root 3. So final volume would be equal to 8 xyz, which is x is equal to 2 by root 3, y is equal to 1 by root 3, and z is equal to root 3, 8 times of the first octant is the volume, and therefore we get the final volume as 16 by root 3. This is the answer. 16 by root 3 is our answer.